Hi, I'm Mike Torres, Group Program Manager for SkyDrive Apps.
Hi, I'm Omar Shaheen, Group Program Manager for skydrive.com.
Today we're going to talk to you about how SkyDrive is a central part of Windows 8. We're going to show you three things. First, a SkyDrive Metro-style app for Windows 8. Second, how SkyDrive is integrated on your desktop into Windows Explorer. And third, how you can fetch files remotely from a PC using skydrive.com. Let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the SkyDrive app. This is the SkyDrive app on Windows 8. It shows all of your documents and all of your pictures. You'll also notice that my SkyDrive camera roll is here. These are all of the photos that I've taken on my Windows Phone automatically uploaded to SkyDrive. Let's open up this Ixtapa, Mexico album of a recent vacation. Notice how fast and fluid the scrolling is. Here's a SkyDrive folder for my house remodel. This folder contains Excel documents, PowerPoint presentations, and Word documents, as well as photos. You'll notice that the SkyDrive app shows you all of them. Now let's take a look at how SkyDrive can be used in other apps. We'll open up a sample app. This app will allow me to choose a file from any location. Here the default is the file system. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go in, I'm going to select the SkyDrive app. Once the SkyDrive app loads, you'll see my entire SkyDrive is available. I'll open up an album and choose a photo of my daughter to apply a mustache to her face. Now that the photo is here, I can just really quickly apply a silly mustache to her face. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to save this photo right back to my SkyDrive. I'll save it to the root so that we can easily find it later. And now that photo has been saved directly back to my SkyDrive, and this is a great example of how you can use SkyDrive from any app. This is really powerful. The SkyDrive picker is universal across Windows 8. I can even select photos to use for my account picture or my lock screen. So let's do that. Let's find that photo that we just saved from the sample app. And just like that, my daughter with a mustache is now on my lock screen. Now let's switch over to the desktop. I want to manage my files in SkyDrive using Windows Explorer and all the great new file management features in Windows 8. Anything I can do with Explorer, I can do with my SkyDrive files. There are no compromises. If I want to use Word or Excel, I can do that with any file stored on SkyDrive, and the changes will sync back to the cloud and across all of my connected devices. Just for kicks, I'll show you how quickly we sync files. I'll drag this Word document into the SkyDrive folder, and you'll see it change from no icon to syncing to complete. And if I go to skydrive.com, the file is already there, along with the photo of my daughter with a mustache. Let's open the document with the Word web app. Any changes I make here will sync automatically to all of my devices. And finally, let's see how we can fetch files from a remote PC running the SkyDrive app on the desktop by going back to skydrive.com. You'll see that on skydrive.com, the list of my connected PCs appears in the left pane. I'm going to click on my desktop PC, running back in my office, running the SkyDrive desktop app. To do this, I have to be on a trusted PC. This means that in order for someone to get back to my PC, they'll need access to both my account password and my mobile phone or alternate email address in order to receive and enter a code. Now that I'm browsing my remote PC, I can open up an album of photos, stream a video, or copy entire folders or single files straight to SkyDrive. In this case, I have a photo on my desktop that I forgot to put in SkyDrive, so I can copy it right from here to any folder in my SkyDrive.
As you can see, SkyDrive has evolved from just a website to a powerful file and device cloud for Windows. We're excited for you to give it a try.